go. There we go. All we have to do is ask. Have you noticed anything different? No, it's not my haircut. It's this little thing down here. It's the Beeline Moto GPS system, which I've been using for 7 minutes right now. I'm already in 5th. Man, this thing has so much torque, I'm always in high gears without even realizing it. Oh, I hear this place works on Porsches. Might drop a CV there. Man, I really needed that. I really needed that, man. You should see my silly face smiling in my helmet right now. Man, I love this bike. I love it. You forget all your troubles. It just wipes them away, man. It's fantastic. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. It's fantastic. Anyway, I haven't produced anything in quite a while. I've been quite preoccupied with work, or the lack of, so to speak, because my position has been terminated due to the boss being a crook, and he, what is it called? I think it's embezzlement, when you just take all the money and leave. That's what he did. He was sick, but we noticed afterwards that all the money is gone. And so the company went down the drain, bankrupt, so to speak, and I've been left without a job, without pay, without anything. But I do still trust the system here in Belgium, which is socially oriented. I'll put it that way. So yeah, hopefully I can apply for a job soon. Oh yeah, my phone has been terminated. I don't have a phone number anymore, so that's kind of difficult to look for a job when you don't have a phone, because the phone number was a part of the one of the advantages of the position I used to occupy. But anyway, I'm just not going to bore you with all of that. It's just I have boring thoughts because I'm stuck behind a Hyundai i10 right now. I guess that's it. So I'll catch you all when I can, when I'm facing the open roads or whatever. Right, now that she's out of the way, I'm back. So yeah, what was I saying? Boring stuff. Back to the bike, and back to this little thing. It looks like a great little device. It's really discreet. I bet you didn't notice it at first, and that's what I like about it. Is that it's really discreet, and I can actually take it off and put it on my other motorbike, which is really cool. There's no wiring, there's no nothing. So right now I'm trying the recording feature, and otherwise you can plan routes pretty much, and just go wherever you're supposed to be. The interface is supposed to be really easy to read, so I'm looking forward to using that. I think I'll do a full review about it later on. This is really just a video about keeping in touch with you guys, because it's been a long time. So how have you been? How is your summer going so far? Do let me know in the comments. What are you doing? Where are you guys? Are you out there in the Caribbean sipping on cocktails, hanging out with, oh never mind, or are you at home gardening, playing with your RC cars, tinkering about, let me know. I really would like to know. Let's stay in touch. I think, you know, I feel like I need you guys now more than ever. Because yeah, I'm really, I don't know, man. I don't know. I just really feel this video is heartfelt, and it's really from me to you. So yeah, let's stay in touch. And that's it from me for now. I'll be doing a full review on this little thing once I've played around with it. And I also invested in a Bluetooth headset that I fitted inside my helmet, so I can use my telephone, which is, you know, useful whenever I have a bloody telephone, when I have my phone number back or whatever. But anyway, that's all from me for now. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for putting up with me rambling along about my stupid problems. And I'll be catching you all in the next video. Peace out, everybody. Goodbye. Cornfields, extremely dangerous this time of year. Somebody could just pop out there at any time. This thing is obnoxiously loud. I love it. Man, this thing sounds so good. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's running a little lean, I think. Gravel, be very, very careful here. Yeah, off we go. Legend has it that that Jackie Eakes used to use this very road to set up cars back in the day when he was a racer. It's true. Well, it's a true legend, I mean, of that I'm sure, because he told me. Not joking. Anyway, that's it from me for now. I'm really gone now. So thank you all so much again for watching, and I'll be catching you all in the next video. Peace out, everybody. Goodbye.